right, today we're going for this bed. I want to switch this bed over to carrots. So I'm going to make the hard call to pull up these green onions and garlic that have been growing for quite some time in here. I don't know, maybe I should keep them. Even as I'm pulling them, I'm like, do I want to pull them? This is why we can't have nice things, okay? Because we can't part with the nice things. Oh my gosh, oh, it smells. So now, is that the most pitiful thing of garlic you've ever seen? I think so. But I did get lots of garlic greens from it, so that's okay. So I'm just pulling these guys. These were like spring garlic that never amounted to anything. And we're gonna rake out the soil and start planting. I need to pull out those green onions too, but I'm gonna do half the bed at a time so that I don't overwhelm myself. And if I can't finish in 5 minutes, then I don't have to. All right, so flattening out the soil so that the root crops don't spread out once you've planted them is good. Oh, we got one more. Pull that one too. These are so cute. Aren't they so cute? Love it. Okay, so clearing the debris, and then we're gonna start planting. You can see how healthy this soil looks. I did a lot of work on my soil last year, and I love the texture. The darkness looks so good. I feel bad that it's been unproductive. I haven't had anything growing in it for a while, except for those really bad garlics. Okay, so we got our planting line here. Just like that. Okay. All right, I don't know if I need my ruler. We'll see how we do. These are Danvers carrots. I love these. Very reliable. And I think I am going to use the ruler just to be on the safe side. And just sprinkle. It's really hard to get carrot seeds singled out because there's so little. By the way, I learned how to sit like this when I lived in China because everyone sat like this on the side of the road. And at the time, I wasn't able to sit like this. And now I can, which makes me feel so good. my carrots are going to be too far apart for my liking, but we'll see what it looks like. All right, almost done with this side. All right, before we proceed on this side, what am I gonna do? I cut a few of these green onions. Let's bring them in. These can be replanted, so not a loss here. And then we're gonna dig them up. I don't even really remember planting these. And look how pretty they are. So prolific too. I've cut from them all year long. Well, all last year now. Not this year. Because this year just started. This is some weird garlic.